If the multiplicity is many to many, means the many person can refer to same collection of addresses, and on the other side, many address can refer to same collection of persons. And by bidirection means can traverse from both directions, can get the collection of addresses from the person and collection of person from address instance. To implement that, first I'm going to create a class person, create property ID of type int, name of type string. Next I'm going to create a class address with property ID of type int, city and state of type string, and also the collection of persons as a set, and create the getter etc. for all the fields. Also associate the collection of addresses as a set to person and create the getter etc. for all the properties in the person class. Okay, we are done from the poser side. Let's do the mapping. Map the class person with element class and set the attribute name to the class person. Map the ID and set the ID generation strategy as native. Map the property name. As the collection of addresses are associated as set, so map the collection of addresses by element set. Again, set requires the key colon, and also use the mapping many to many with the attribute class set to address. Similarly, map the address class using class element, set the ID generation strategy as native. Map the property city and state with the length set to 20. And also map the associated collection of person with element set with key set the name of a foreign key column, and mapping many to many with the name of class person, and make person responsible to set the relationship with the associated entity. All done at the mapping side. Okay, let me set the length of name column to length 20. Okay, done. Next, to test the mapping, I'm going to use the client code. We need to create the collection of person and a collection of address. First, create a person 1 with name shape. Create one more person with name Sen. Create address 1, set city to Gwalior and state to MP. Create one more address, set city to Pune and state to Maharashtra. Now create a set of addresses of type has set and add both the addresses to it. Also create a set of person of generic type person and add both the created person to it. Associate the collection of person to both the addresses and associate the collection of addresses to both the person. At last, request the session to save both the person. Let's execute and see the result. Okay, too many queries are fired. So we have 4 tables, person and address are the main entities, and other 2 tables are used for mapping. Person underscore address to traverse from person to address, and address underscore person to traverse from address to person. Now let's check the graph.